a Proton Saga BLM FLX installed for Soundstream, 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, 1GB RAM with 16GB storage, code 916. Okay, 9-inch with OEM pop-up casing. So this is pop-up style. So got a clip inside with your connect to your original double-in space. Just clip on. The screen with the clip-on casing, which you can say also is a good fitting. Just a screen wheel outside a bit. Okay, IPS screen, multi-angle view, still same color. This is a music file. Back to home, a full menu. A Play Store, log in a Gmail to download app. Setting, network internet. Turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. System, Android version 9, 1GB RAM with 16GB storage, 2020 May. Bluetooth core. It's got a mic input built in. After that, you can click for the Bluetooth music, BT music. Share your phone music to car player. Car setting. Screensaver. You can select the time. Speed screen. Can left right screen. Okay, select the frequency 1. Long press to save it. Okay, so this is Soundstream 9-inch, 1GB RAM, 16GB storage, Android big screen GPS player with OEM casing for Proton Saga. Is pop-up version. OEM power socket plug and play. It's with a co-audio component set. Okay, install by 1bis and video by Andy. Thank you.